Yo, what's good guys? In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create this simple and easy zoom out effect for your next edits. If you would like to see more of this content, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and like that video. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. Alright, first things first, what you guys want to do is go right here and you see where it says new composition. You want to go ahead and click that. I usually use 1080p by 1080p, but you can use whatever you want. And also make sure to use 60 frame rate, because that's what most people use and that's preferably the best choice. After you create this, then you want to select whatever clips and whatever audio you have. Alright, as you guys can see, now I have all of my clips sorted out and correctly on the beat of the song. Then after, what you guys want to do once you have all of that sorted out is you want to go to your first clip, pre-compose it, go right here, and you know where it says right here, leave out attributes and move out attributes. You want to click the second one, then click OK. Then after you want to do this, you want to go right here and you want to select the scale, click on the little stopwatch, zoom in a little bit if you have to, and right here you want to drag it all the way to the end of the clip. After you drag it all the way to the end of the clip, you want to put it roughly about 150. If you want to do more or less, then it's fine, but I usually do around that. Then after you do that, you want to click F9, easy ease, then go right here to this graph icon. And right here is the most important part. What you want to do is you want to go right here, bring this one down and bring this one up. What this does, it goes fast in the beginning, just slows a little bit down, and then it goes fast at the end. Then after you do that, you want to do the same thing. Pre-compose, select the second one, click OK. And what you can do to make it easier, you can select the keyframe, Control C, go to the video or to the clip, Control V. And then after this, click U to see the keyframes. You want to click Alt and drag it. And you have to fix it a little bit because when you make it shorter, it kind of changes the graph. So make sure it's always like this, like halfway down and halfway up, and then it should look something like this. You want to keep doing this over and over again. So right here, Control V, U, drag it a little bit. Then after you do that, drag it down a little bit like this. I'll show you guys how it looks when I'm done. Alright, now I've done it for all of the clips, and just to show you guys something, when you're doing the graph, make sure not to have the right one really high up, because then it gets a little bit choppy. And what you want to do is just drag it down a little bit so it becomes more smoother. And this should be the final result once you have it finished. It's not as smooth because we haven't applied Twixtor yet, but that's for another video. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, thank you so much for following and stay until the end to find out how to do this cool effect, and stay tuned for more videos, because in this channel I'm going to teach you guys everything that I know about editing and how to transform your edits from simple and basic looking to more viral. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.